In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the all-parties Hurriyat Conference and other religious and political organizations have strongly denounced the Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government for disallowing prayers on the blessed occasions of Jumatul Wida and Shab-e-Qadr at historic Jamia Masjid SGR. The APC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, termed the action as a sheer interference in the religious affairs of Muslims and gross violation of right to freedom of religion. The Muttahida Majlis Ulama, an umbrella body of religious and social organizations headed by Mir Umar Farooq, in a statement in Srinagar, expressed concern over the repeated closing down of the Jamia Masjid Srinagar and other religious places for prayers by the Indian authorities. It maintained that such actions were aimed at hurting the religious sentiments of millions of Kashmiris. People's Alliance for Gupkar Declaration spokesperson Muhammad Yusuf Tariqami, in a statement in Srinagar, also expressed anguish over the move of the occupation authorities. Meanwhile, people took out anti-India and anti-Israel rallies in Srinagar, Padgam, Baramulla, Patan and other areas of the occupied territory today to mark the Jumatul Wida, the last Friday of Ramadan, as the Kashmir Day and Qudus Day. The participants of the rallies raised high-pitched anti-India and anti-Israel slogans. Indian police arrested Hurriyat leader Maulvi Sajjad after raiding his house in Nadihal area of Bandipora district. The police booked him under Black Law, Public Safety Act and lodged him at Sub-Jail Baramulla. The occupation authorities shifted more than 40 illegally detained political prisoners booked under Draconian Public Safety Act, including APHC leader Mushtaqul Islam and journalist Asif Sultan, to Ambedkar Nagar jail in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh today. On the other hand, tension gripped Ayodhya city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh after a group of Hindutva members desecrated the Holy Quran and threw its pages along with posters containing anti-Muslim remarks and most disgustingly poked outside 3 mosques and shrines in the state. European Union Special Representative for Human Rights Eamon Gilmore, in a tweet, stated that in his meetings with the Indian officials, he has discussed, among other issues, the situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Various Hindu organizations and religious leaders have endorsed a statement that says, "We stand with our Muslim siblings in India." The statement by the US-based Hindus for Human Rights and signed by several Hindu organizations and leaders says the time is long overdue for Hindus around the world to break the collective silence and speak out against Hindutva-fueled hate and violence against Muslims and other minorities in India.